Well, hello. Guess what I've just done? I've just bought a farm. And, well, it's a family farm. It's the Fowler family farm. But I've just moved in, and because I've done that, I haven't been able to film a video for you this week. So I'm sorry about that. But I thought you might like to see where I am and what I'm doing and the whole process. It's a mess. It's a giant, big mess. But let me show you. So I'll show you the land. This is the property. There's just so much to show you. Okay, so keep in mind, huge mess. And we're going to be doing a renovation on this property, which is exciting. And I can show you all the things that we're going to do. That's a little place for the kids to stay, right there. So let's go into the house and I'll show you. This is just sort of me placing everything. I have no idea where it's all going to go, but that's my outdoor table. Look how gorgeous it is. This is timber from boats in Indonesia, and it's been repurposed. And I love that. You can see all of the marks in it, and there's nails, but that's kind of me. I love it. It's a bit rustic. And the legs, look at the legs. Oh, so gorgeous. And these chairs, they're aluminium, but they look like cane. They're really nice. And you all know this from my videos. That's the Balinese set that I have. And I have no idea what I'm going to do with that yet. Just wait till we go inside. You're going to be in shock. This is with a huge cleanup. This is all my stuff. There's my YouTube trophy, which is exciting. Here is my camera gear. And there's cords, and I forget where everything goes and how to even set it all up. This is where all my tripods are. Lights. Oh my goodness, that's my big light over there. And when I dismantled that, it fell on top of me. And I got hurt, but that's okay. Here is my board that I use to show me which exercises to do. And what else? We've got the start of the living room. So I'll walk in and show you this from a different angle. And we've got big, nice sliding doors here. The lounge is maybe going to stay here and maybe not. This is a beautiful, comfy lounge, that's for sure. And then we've got, I picked these up in Bali about 20 years ago. There's one here and one here. Right there. And this is my table. These chairs are the outdoor chairs. I just don't have any chairs to go on this table yet. And this is my kitchen. So this is coming along nicely. I figure I don't really know what I'm going to do with everything yet. This is my pantry. This is sorted because this is where everything is. Everything's labeled. I love this. So this is the food that I eat. This is my baking foods. This is just spares. This is more things that I eat all the time, every day. And I don't know what I'm going to do with all of this yet. I've got to sort that out. We've got herbs and spices and things that I use. And this is a steam oven. I've never used one before, so I've got to figure that out. That's a normal oven. And there's so many drawers to hold. Oh, that's a messy drawer. Oh, I've got to show you this. This is my dinner set that I ordered from Etsy. Like, I'm so in love with it. I'll show you this another time, but I ordered one set. I think the set came with these 3 pieces, and I loved it so much. Look, it's just beautiful. You can feel it. You can feel that it's homemade, and it makes me happy. So this is what I got. I got the set. Look at this bowl. I mean, it's so beautiful. But I can show you that all later. This is, oh, that's just glasses in there. This is my dinner set I got when I was 21. And I got one of these from my grandma. She gave me a set. This is Royal Dalton, and this is called Valdor. That's the set. And yeah, like, I can't believe it, but I've still got the whole thing. And Chris's parents gave us the other set. So I think we've got 2 sets of 8, which is 16. And that has lasted me. And we use this at Christmas. We couldn't use this day to day because the kids would have broken it, of course. So this was our special set. But how beautiful is that? And, oh, I'll show you my tea cupboard. This is my favourite teas. So that is amazing. Sully Rose. It's just everything. And this is what you can have before you go to bed. Lemon ginger's nice. Sully green's nice. French Earl Grey is my favourite by T2. And then Melbourne Breakfast is my second favourite by T2. Peppermint is nice for when I feel like I need a pickup. And this chaga tea is amazing. Coffee is for visitors because I don't drink coffee. And then I've got some other ones up there, and these are loose leaf if I want to have a pot of tea. So yeah, that's my tea. What's in here? This is just glasses. These are also Royal Dalton champagne flutes. And they're beautiful too. Oh, I've got to show you this. Last night when Nathan and Andressa were here, they bought me this bottle of champagne. And it was so good. I drink champagne once every now and then, but I love drinking that, and this was extra special. So that's what the kids bought me. And what else have we got? Pots and pans. Pretty boring. This is just what we don't know what to do with yet. That will soon find a home. Bowls and things. And cutlery. What else? Don't know about this drawer. It's kind of like you want to save the drawers for the right things, and then you don't want to get it all wrong. And then you just move everything. So this area here, I think I'm going to put a fireplace in there. We've got to figure that out. And that's the view. So if you're sitting on this lounge, and all of those doors open up, and so good. This is junk, and all of the buildings will be painted white. So that will be great. And then I want to show you what we're going to do over here, like eventually. This space here, we're going to put a outdoor sauna, an ice bath, and then a cedar hot tub with the ozone water. So that'll be get really, really hot in the sauna, detox, jump in the ice bath, and then that resets your nervous system, and then you just sit and relax in that cedar tub, and then you're looking at that. So that's going to be so exciting. And we've got a shed up there, like there's like a tractor in there, and ride on bike and all sorts of things for the kids. So that's what they'll be doing. Pizza oven, and that's a cellar up there. So I don't know what we'll do with that. It's raining. This little place here is going to have a bed in it, and this is for the kids and the visitors. So we've kind of got to set that all up. And there's a shower in here, and a toilet, and a nice big shower with that view to look out into. So yeah, this is going to be a huge big job, but when it's finished it's going to be beautiful. And see how everything's dark? We're going to paint it all white, and then these tiles here will be white also, and the blue tile around the pool will also be white, and it'll have more of a Balinese feel to it. I love that pink tree. I don't know what it is called, but it is beautiful. And we've got a little creek down the end. You can hear that maybe, and it's raining. So I can show you my rooms inside, but like they're a huge mess. But that's okay. We're gonna find a way through the mess once it's all cleaned up. Look at all this. This is clothes and linen and makeup, and like just the bed base things coming today. That's my makeup table. There's a walk-in wardrobe and a bathroom, and I would like to cut a hole in the bathroom wall, and I'll show you around the other side. And then you come out on the other side and we'll put an outdoor bath. So that's the garden inside the bedroom, and this area here will be where we take the wall out and bring it all out to this area, and that will be an outside bathroom. And if we keep walking, this is the garden. Oh, it's so beautiful. And there's little fruit trees and orchids. Look at this. I mean, there's just so many species here of plants. Everything is new to me. There's lots of ginger and turmeric. Look at these. And oh, there's this area. So I think I'm going to set my gym up here with my hand weights and my rebounder, bench, hoop. I don't know what that's going to be yet. That will happen when it happens. And that's the stairs up to the shed. There's the cellar. And look, we have lavender and rosemary. And then we're back to this part of the house. This is going to be my project for the next coming months anyway. I'll be getting up, working, fixing this place up, and just doing all the things that I need to do. Oh look, I've got to show you, there's a frog. Is he hanging on, or is he dead? I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but there's lots of frogs here. He looks like he's hanging on to the side of the pool and just having a rest, but I do kind of think he's dead. end of my little tour of the property. Let me know if you want to see more and if you're interested in this kind of thing, because it's different to what I normally do and it could be completely boring for you. But this is where I'll be spending a lot of my time and a lot of my energy, other than making my usual videos. But yeah, if you want to know more, let me know in the comments below if you've got any ideas for me on how I can make this place look nice, or if you're a farmer or if you're great in the garden, let me know, because I have like this much experience. None of us do. We just moved here because it felt like the right thing to do, and it's just so beautiful. So yeah, let me know if you've got questions, if you've got suggestions, if you've got advice, and yeah, if you want to know anything else. Okay, bye.